Yo, what's up you guys? I'm Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did like my fairy light ivy vine kind of thing. So the first thing I do is I just put on some lo-fi to make the time a little, more bearable. Altogether, this took me about like 2 hours. It would be a lot shorter if, somebody would help you. I'm not salty yet. Ignore me. I'm just teasing. Anyways, the first thing I do is just make sure that the lights work, because if they don't work, you're gonna have a mad mama on your hands, you know what I mean? So I didn't really have any plan doing this, so I just like started hanging up the lights, I guess erratically, so we're gonna go through this together. Well, it's like 6 months later, but you know what I mean. Together but separate. So the way that these fairy lights work, it's a long string, and like every 6 inches or so, there's gonna be a new string of lights. So I like this because you can put the vines in a bunch of different ways. I don't really know how to explain myself, but you guys will see how I do it in the video. So the fairy lights are like bundled up together, so that made it really easy for me to just unravel one at a time and hang up one string of lights at a time. It was super easy, but it was just really time consuming. I would also recommend that you get like a hammer or something, like a blunt object to like help you hammer in those thumbtacks. I didn't use one, and I had a blister on my thumb for about a week, so I'm gonna try to save you guys some pain and suffering. Get a hammer or something. It's gonna be a lot better. So with the fairy lights, I just started hanging them up, I guess erratically, because vines, they're not, neat and perfect. I just went ham. I don't know what I was doing. But my goal here, it was to like wrap the vines around the walls and maybe a little bit on the ceiling, make it look a little natural. I saw like other people do like the lights and the vines, and I didn't really like how it like came out. So I was like, let's try to put something maybe in front of it. Maybe, I don't know, blow it up some more, take up more wall space with it. You don't have to like it, but if you don't like the thumbnail in the video, I don't know why you really clicked on the video, you know what I mean? But I like it. I mean, it's like 6 months later. It's really grown on me. Like, it looks super cute in my opinion. This project really worked out for me because the vines that I got and then the fairy lights, I had like almost no leftover vines, but I got to cover all the lights and all like the fairy strings and all that. Like, it literally worked out so perfectly. The reason I did this project, my apartment is so, I guess, boring and bland. So I figured if I added like a little bit of green, like, I know plants help with green, but like, I kill every plant, goldfish, like any animal, like anything that I need to take care of, it doesn't work out. So I was like, fake ivy, that'll work for me. It'll add a little bit of green, you know what I mean? So it worked out for me. It's very low maintenance, unless you have a cat, because my cat keeps tearing down the vines. So that's always fun. The way that I put these vines in, I didn't hang them up with like thumbtacks or anything. I literally just wove them through like the fairy light. So like the leaves are really close together. So I did like one over, one under, one over, one under, and so on and so forth. They stay really good. I mean, they're not gonna just fall out unless your cat messes with them, but you know what I mean. Sorry for the passive aggression, not really. So I bought this song that's playing in this video, and it says it's copyright free. So if I get demonetized, I'm gonna be a real mad girl. Okay, I'm gonna be so mad. If you guys liked this project, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you like who I am, you like my personality, go ahead and give this channel a subscribe. If you want to feel all fancy, hit that little bell. You'll get notifications every single time I post. If you don't want to, that's fine. If you want to see more crafty ideas or something, just go ahead and comment what you would like to see, and I'd be more than happy to try to recreate your ideas, I suppose. But yeah, I'm Kayla. If you want to follow me on my Instagram or Snapchat or TikTok, I guess I only have one video on there, but they're all Kayla Josephine, the same as my YouTube name, just no spaces. But yeah, I hope that your day was as beautiful as you are. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. I think I hate it. I said I think I hate it.